week in Monday Morning Automation, we are starting a new unit, Node and JavaScript. This unit will be essential in learning how to actually write code. First, let's learn the difference between Node.js and JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used for scripting actions in web browsers. Node.js is a runtime environment that uses the JavaScript language to create and execute software applications. Today, we're going to start off by downloading and installing Node.js. I'll show you how to do it on Windows first and then on a Mac. To install on Windows, open up your browser and go to nodejs.org and then choose the LTS download. Once that download has completed, open up the installer and then click Next, accept the license agreement. And then you can click Next and Next, Next, and then Install. Once the installer is finished, you can click the Finish button. Then open up the command line and type node-version. If you get a version number in response, that means that Node has been installed correctly. If you don't get a version number in response, if you get a response that says Node was not recognized as a command, you may need to add Node to your path variable. So here's how to do that. Type environment in the search bar and then open up Edit the System Environment Variables. Then choose the Environment Variables button at the bottom. And then scroll down to the System Variables and look for the path and click Edit. Then down at the bottom, you should see C Program Files Node.js. If you don't see this, this is what you will need to type in. So you'll want to click the Edit button and then type in C:\program files \Node.js \, and then save. Then go back to your command window and type node-version again. See if you see that version number. If you don't, you can try quitting the command window and opening it up again, and then you should see it. Now let's learn how to do this on a Mac. Open your browser and navigate to nodejs.org. Then choose the LTS version to download. Once it's finished downloading, you can open up that package. Continue. Accept the license agreement. Select a destination. And then install. Add your username and password if you need to. Let it access the files in your Downloads folder. And now it should be installed. Note that it was installed at /user/local/bin. And there's a message here that says, make sure that that is in your path. Usually your path will already be set up that way. Then you can move the installer to the trash because we don't need it anymore. And now we can check to make sure that we have Node installed by typing node-version. And if you get a version number in response, then that means that it's installed. If for some reason you got a message that said that Node wasn't recognized as a command, you can check your path variable to see if that user local binary path was in your path. And you can do that with this command, echo $path. And then if you see user local bin in your path, then you should be all set. If you don't see that, You can add it in by typing export path equals $path and then slash user, that's USR, local, and then bin. And now that should be added to your path. It's also helpful to close down your terminal and reopen it before you check for the Node version again. Sometimes it takes a restart of the command line to see the changes. Thanks for watching this video. If you found my training helpful, please like this video and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single lesson. If you're enjoying Monday Morning Automation and you'd like to learn even faster, be sure to check out my book, The Complete Software Tester, which is available in Kindle and paperback on Amazon.com.